Hey, what's up everybody? I want to show you something really cool today. Over the last few months, I have really been sprucing up my Tesla Model Y here, giving it a lot of personality on the outside, because when you first take delivery of your Tesla Model Y, it looks great, but it's very bland, no personality. Let me show you real quick what I'm talking about before I get to the big surprise. I'm gonna flip the camera here real quick. Here in the front, I put a black Tesla logo. Let's not forget about the lip spoiler. Over the fog lights, it's a 3D, it pokes out there, a cover over that. That looks great along with the wheel covers. Can't miss that. Over the camera, we put a cover. Again, on the mirror, real quick, we're gonna run around to the back here. And one of my favorite accessories that I added, it's been this Falcon wing spoiler. It's attached to the car here, but you see how it's coming off of the car. This is amazing. Along the back, we have another black Tesla logo. And I'm not finished yet, because in today's video, we're gonna install this side rear window louver. And this is great for your Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. So you can get this side rear louver for 22% off when you visit my friends over at EVBASE.com. Feel free, if you have a smartphone and you're watching me on another device, go on and scan the QR code right here on your screen, and it will take you right to this product and so many more awesome things. One of the great things about the window covers is going to protect your rear passengers from just say UV rays. It's also weather resistant, weatherproof. You don't have to worry about it fading from the sun. It has these vents here, so you don't have to worry about water being stuck in here. It will run completely out. And the best thing that I love about all of the installations that you saw on this video so far from my friends over at EVBASE, all of these installations are easy. This is very easy. So let's get right to the install. So the first thing that you want to do with this install is just clean the window, because you want to make sure you get some really good stick in here with the window cover. And you don't want dirt stuck behind there. So you want to get a microfiber towel if you have one. And this is literally just any type of window cleaner, nothing fancy. And we're just going to clean that off very well. And your kit also comes with this little packet, and it comes with a wipe just so you can wipe it down to make sure you get a good stick. This right here also helps clean the dirt off. So I'm just going to outline where my adhesion is, because you saw that we wiped it, but let's see how well this worked. Y'all, this was white, look. So make sure you don't skip this step, because you don't want that to stick on to the back of there, because then you're not gonna really get a good connection. So I'm just gonna wipe it one more time. We want to keep going. See, it's not as bad now. So, because that is where our adhesion will go. So it's been roughly about 30 seconds to 45 seconds here. You're gonna see like a film that's going along. That's why it's important not to wipe the whole window down, because this is gonna provide great adhesion. So on the back, we have some of that red cover on our adhesion. We're just gonna take that off. Simple as that, very easy installation, I'm telling y'all that. So we are going to look at the shape of the window. You know, we don't want to put it on like that, because that's just obviously not right. We're going to go right onto the window. We're going to line it up one good time. And after we line it up, we're going to give it a firm push and hold it probably about for a good 15, 20 seconds. We want to make sure that it's great on there. Make sure that you don't come too close to the outlet, because you don't want that window to hit it. So I kind of really just lined it up right along the crease here. I went right along the edge right there. It is a little bit of glass that's still left, which is not a bad thing. Like just right here on the edge. We're talking about very little, but it doesn't look bad at all. So I think that side is done. Now this side is done. We're just going to go over to the other side and repeat the same process. But the fact you know how it's done, I'm just going to fast forward this part. So this is our moment of truth. Let's see how everything panned out. So I'm just gonna flip the camera here again. So I'm here on the driver's side right now, and look at this. This look amazing, especially whenever you're looking at the wheel covers here along with the rear skirt. It really gives your car some definition and some style. And let's go on a run right over here to the passenger side, and you can see like it's really oh my goodness, let's get a closer look. That's amazing. And it really puts personality and style right to the car. And again, the best thing about this installation is that it's quick, it's easy, it's not expensive, and you can literally take care of this installation in a matter of minutes. So be sure you check out my good friends over at EVBASE. You can scan, again, the QR code right here. Don't worry, I'm gonna leave the link down below as well. So the QR code is right here. Check out more videos right over here, all things related to your Tesla installation and your money, and I will be sure to see you in the next video.